Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download free presets safely. So this method is going to be very safe and secure for your Lightroom app and your other documents. So in order to do that, firstly you have to download an app. So I'm going to be showing you right now. So open up Play Store, and then what you need to do is search for FLTR. And once you've searched it, and as you can see, there's a result which says presets from Lightroom with a PR sign in its logo. And once you tap on it, simply install this app. And you can see here that this app is very popular as it has 10 million downloads, and you can also check out its reviews with 4.1 stars, and you can check out this comment and its review feedbacks, and it can be noted that it is a very reliable app. And once you have downloaded it, simply open the app and then hit on continue and allow every permission that the app is asking. We can skip this payment process by tapping on the cross button over here and also over here, and there you go. You have opened the app, and simply you have to go to the library section, and then what you have to do is scroll through all the presets that is available here, and you can select any one which you like. So for example, let's select this one over here. So simply tap on the open button right next to it, and then tap on open preset. Okay, now it will say that the preset is downloaded, so simply tap on the yes get preset button over here, and then what it will do is it will redirect you to the Lightroom app. And as you can see, the preset is applied to this image over here. So what you need to do is you have to save this preset so that you can apply the same preset to your other images in the Lightroom app. So simply tap on the three dots over here and then tap on create preset, and then you can name it anything you like, and then tap on the tick button once you're done, and there you go, you have saved this preset. So if you go back, then you can apply the preset on any image that you like. And so you just go over to the preset button over here, and as you can see, the preset has been saved over here, which I saved earlier, and there you go, the preset has been applied. And that is how you safely download free presets in your Lightroom app. And I hope this video has helped you. If it has, then please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If there are any questions, then leave them down in the comments below and I'll be answering them. And thank you very much for watching.